It's your friendly math tutor, Miss C here, and today we are solving two-step equations. They're called two-step equations because they take exactly 2 steps to solve. Our big goal is to get our variable x by itself, and we do that by using the order of operations, which we abbreviate to PEMDAS, and we are using PEMDAS backwards because we're solving an equation. So anytime we move things across the equal sign, we use PEMDAS backwards. Sometimes we call it SADMEP, and we group addition and subtraction together, multiplication and division together, and then we deal with exponents and then parentheses. So I'm going to divide my equation into 2 sides because in algebra, what we do to one side of an equation, we do to the other. Now, since I'm trying to get 4x by itself, that means that I have to deal with the other terms that don't have an x attached. So that means the first thing we want to deal with is this -3. And lucky for us, it's being added or subtracted. So we're going to do the inverse operation of the subtraction, which is the opposite. So we're going to add 3 to both sides. That's our first step. So when we do that, we're left with 4x on this side equals 45 plus 3, which is 48. Okay, we're still trying to get this x by itself. So the next step, we need to break apart the 4 and the x. 4 is being multiplied. So we're to this step of PEMDAS. To unmultiply, we divide. Okay, so the inverse operation of multiplication is division. So what I do to one side, I do to the other. When I do that, I am left with x on the left side equals 48 divided by 4, which is 12. Now, just a couple of notes. You are going to notice that when you are using the addition and subtraction to move things across the equation, you should be getting a big 0 here. -3 plus 3 is 0. That should happen every single time. And when you are using multiplication or division, what should happen is you should get a value of 1. So 4 divided by 4 is 1. Those are always really great checks to make sure that you are using the order of operations correctly. All right, x equals 12, like we said, and always, we want to check our work, and we do that by plugging in the value we got out to see if it equals what we intend it to equal. So 12 times 4 is 48 minus 3. That does, in fact, equal 45. So check, and that's our last step. Thanks for solving this equation with me. Till next time, remember, you've got this.